We're going to discuss another problem on PDA, and the problem says that design a PDA which accepts n of a, that means this particular PDA will accept the input string using null store, and a is the name of the PDA, and the string should be of the type a n b to the power of 2n, a n b to the power of 2n. That means number of b will be twice that the number of a, and n is greater than equal to 1. So, that means at least one a and two b's will be there. So, at first we should do the planning that how we can implement this one, then we can design the PDA accordingly. So, how to solve it? What you are thinking? We can do in this way. I am giving you one suggestion. The same problem can be solved in multiple different ways. So, one way I am suggesting here is that, let us suppose I am having say 2 a's and 4 b's, okay, because n is equal to 2, so 2 into n means 4. So, now at the initial we are having the z0 at the top of the stack, and it is nothing but a, and then I shall go for b, b, b. B, 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 B. So, 4 times B. So, if I get A, then here for the first part of this input string, here I shall put 2 A's. That will be good enough, I think. So, if we get another A, then I shall put or push 2 A's on the top of the stack. So, for 2 A's, I have already pushed 4 A's on the top of the stack. So, if we get A, then this A will be popped. If we get B rather, then A will be popped. If we get B, popped, B, A will be popped, B, A will be popped. So, input string has got exhausted. So, I am remaining with this Z0, and it is accepting the string not using final state but using null store. So, Z0 will be also popped out from the push down store, and in this way the string will get accepted. And here the value of n is greater than equal to 1, that means at least one a and 2 times b will be there as input string to be accepted. So, that is the main story. So, let me write the required transitions. Okay, now, so whatever we have done the planning, we will be writing the code, writing the transitions accordingly. So, delta Q0 A Z0 is equal to Q0 AAZ0. Okay. So, n number of times A will be there. So, for the first time it will occur, and for n minus 1 times this particular production, this particular transition will take place. So, now we will be having this A. So, I can show this A thrice only to indicate that it is the A, this is the A, and 2 A's have got pushed. So, that is why here I am showing 1A on the top of the stack, here I am showing 3 A's because 2A characters or the symbols have got pushed on the top of the stack, top of the push and store. So, now let me go for Q0 B A. Let us change the state, and I am going for Q1 kappa. So, A has been popped from the top of the stack, state has got changed. So, now I am going through this B. So, in Q1, when I will be in the state Q1, I shall not expect any kind of input symbol like A. So, I shall not put any kind of transition with Q1A, I will be with Q1B only. So, let me go for delta Q1B. Obviously, I will be getting A at the top of the stack because I did not push any other symbol other than A on the top of the stack. So, that is my Q1 kappa. So, now my input string has got exhausted. My input string has got exhausted. So, stack top symbol has become Z0. So, I shall pop it out because my string will get accepted using empty store. So, that is the way to solve it. So, if you ask me to write the PDA in official notations, then I shall write in this way. That is my, what are the states we are having? We are having states like Q0 and Q1. What are the input symbols we are having? A and B. What are the push down store symbols you are having? A and Z0. Look at here, I didn't push B on the top of the stack, never. Okay, so that's why B cannot be the push down store symbols. So A and Z0 can only be the push down store symbols. And delta I have mentioned here. And then I'm remaining with this. What is the initial state? Q0. What is the push down store symbol? Z0. What is the final state? In case of null store acceptance, final state will be phi. But if it is TA, then obviously I shall be writing say QF or Q1, whatever the logic got implemented here. So accordingly I will be writing the final states here. And if it is a QF, then here also it will be coming QF. But it is a PDA accepting the string using null store. So final states will be phi. So in this way, I have implemented this particular PDA which will accept this sort of strings. So whenever such problems will come, please at first you just go for this planning that how you are going to map this one. Do you want to solve this one in other way? Obviously, the other ways are also there. You can solve the same problem in another way. A problem cannot have, this sort of problem cannot have the unique solution. So this is one of the solutions I have proposed. Thanks for watching this video.